Hey everyone, today I wanted to share with you my favorite travel, beauty, and skincare essentials. I traveled for 3 weeks to the Philippines and Tokyo with overnight layovers in Qatar. So a total of 6 flights across 3 different countries with 3 very different climates and very dry airplane cabin air. I stayed in a few different hotels, including the beautiful Bulgari Hotel in Tokyo, Japan. All the hotels included amenities, but if there's one constant I need, it is my favorite tried and true skincare, bath, makeup essentials. And I wanted to share with you some of my favorites and what I packed and brought with me. Online shopping can be overwhelming, especially when you're traveling, and a lot of these airlines have very strict carry-on and checked luggage requirements. Fortunately, I've gathered all of my tried and true favorites, and you can shop them all during YouTube Shopping's Real Deal event. All the products I show will pop up on the bottom left side of your screen, so you can click conveniently to check out before the sale ends. If you purchase these products through my affiliate links, I may receive a commission. Thank you so much to YouTube Shopping for sponsoring the sale and this video. Some key sales to look out for are the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, which runs until March 28th. The Fenty Beauty and the Fenty Skin sale will run until March 26th with some great gifts with purchase. And the Macy's Beauty VIB sale runs from March 27 to April 7 with 15% off beauty using the code VIP. Hey everyone, I just checked into my hotel here at the Bulgari in Tokyo. I'm going to do a separate full room tour and like a haul about everything that I've bought so far in Tokyo because we have gone luxury shopping. I'm looking at the wrong thing. We have done luxury shopping. We went to Ginza, we went to Shinjuku, and then I went to a bunch of the luxury vintage resellers, and I ended up getting a couple pre-owned vintage luxury items. So I'm excited to share that. But for this video, I wanted to share with you all the toiletries and skincare that I packed. I've already started this while I was on my Qatar Q Suites flight because I was flying for over 20 hours on 2 separate flights. So I showed you my in-flight bag. This is my makeup that I packed in this Fenty makeup bag. I love this type of bag. And then I had my skincare in my Nomad Lane. This is the skincare pouch that you keep inside the bento bag, my carry-on, my personal item carry-on. And then I have my toiletry. This is from Pixie. This is the full size, not full size, but travel size skincare, bath, additional stuff for my trip. Packing just more makeup, more skincare that are, I don't know. I ended up not using a lot of these, but just in case I needed them, I packed these. So I'll go through that with you. Here is my beautiful room. This is the hallway, bathroom, shower, luggage. That's the bar back there. And then the room and the amazing views on the other side. This is the vanity. It is so nice. Here I'm wearing the robe that they provided. It's very cute. We just had lunch at the Il Ristorante. It's a 1 Michelin star restaurant here at the hotel. And I'm going to get ready to go down to the pool. When I say get ready, just change into my swimsuit. Oh, look at that yoga mat. They provide a yoga mat so you can work out. And then I'm going to go down and check out the gym and the pool. But yeah, here's the vanity. So you have a Dyson hair dryer, blow dryer, my makeup, skincare, more makeup, Nomad Lane. This kind of changed around, but this is what I carried with me during my flight because I was journeying for a very long time. You got this very nice little jewelry tray while you get ready. And then the close-up mirror. I've shown this makeup bag before. This little vanity train case is from Yuka. She repurposes Hermes dust bags, and I think she started doing it with Chanel and Dior. Very cute stuff. It has a little zip up at the top. I've already gone shopping a little bit here in Tokyo. I bought some cosmetics, skincare, makeup that's only here in Tokyo. So I got this lotion. It's honey and yuzu. I have my Supergoop Glow Stick, SPF 50. 2 more tinted sunscreen moisturizers, Say Slip Tint. I got this in the shade 4.5 because the one I had is a 5 and it was a little darker during the winter for me. And then the Glow Screen SPF 40. From Fenty, this is the Eavesdrop Blur and Smooth Tint Stick, and I'm in the shade 6, I believe. Make sure you keep the cap on here. But I like the stick foundations. This one's very creamy and it's not drying or anything on me. More makeup, we have the Say Dew Blush in the shade Spicy. I usually keep this in my travel bag. This is the Ilia Multi-Stick Face Palette. I like this because it's cream products for your entire face, lips, cheeks, eyes, blush, highlighter, contour, bronze. I don't know if this is still available. This is the Refi Brow Sculpt. Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, Sephora Brow, another SPF, Clarins SPF. And then I didn't bring enough eyeshadow palettes, but this is the Natasha Denona Mini Nude Palette. I haven't even been wearing a lot of like different colored eyeshadows. I just use the same nude eyeshadow colors. I have my Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette, and then I just end up putting on eyeliner, and then I'm good to go. We've been very busy here in Tokyo, touring everything. This is a travel makeup skincare bag from Pixie Beauty. I just really like this because, especially if you're tight on space, this actually is meant to hang. So you open it up, and then I have this like headband and wristband when you're washing your face so that the water doesn't run down your arms. I love this. And this is everything that I've been using. The hotel here has all Bulgari products that they provide, and they provide all the amenities. You really don't need to bring anything, but I'm an overpacker. I'm trying not to be. So I have my Tatcha rice wash. I actually think I have a smaller rice wash, like a sample size in my, oh I do, in my Nomad Lane toiletry pouch. I have a smaller size of this because I did have a couple overnight layovers. I got the Elemis skincare set. This is the travel skincare, so it comes with the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, like a travel size. I love this cleansing balm. And then it also comes with dynamic resurfacing facial pads. This is my favorite Caudalie Vino Perfect serum. I have a little travel size in here, right there. And I kind of timed it so that hopefully I will be finishing this bottle and then I can toss it before I leave because it's a full size heavy glass bottle serum. Sugar Bear 5-hour sleep gummies. I carry this on the plane in case I needed help sleeping on the plane. Lancome Bifacil eye makeup remover, and then a travel size of the Way Rose Hair and Body Oil. I keep it in separate little plastic baggies so they don't leak. I keep a lot of stuff that if it leaks, if it would be messy, I keep in separate plastic bottles. But I have also this Pinky List PHA Toner, contact lens solution, First Aid Beauty Retinol Eye Cream, and then a full-size Clinique Eye Cream. This one can double as a whole facial cream. Sol de Janeiro Body Wash. I actually got the travel set of this, but I left the shampoo and conditioner in the Philippines. A little travel size razor. These two I had in my travel bag, but I switched it over to this. We have the Off First Aid Antiseptic Pen, and then a Colgate Optic Teeth whitening pen. Sol de Janeiro Milky Leave-In Conditioner, and then the Vino Perfect Essence. This I also keep in a little plastic baggie. And then I have a like one trial size packet of the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Conditioner and Shampoo, because when I'm traveling through the airport overnight, I forget if I'm staying overnight at one of the airports or if just the lounge has, you know, the shower. So if I want to do a full shower after all that travel, I can wash my hair with this. I always bring a travel size of the Kerastase 8-Hour Magic Night Serum. This makes my hair so soft. By the way, I got my hair cut in Manila. It was very long when I left, and on my last night in Manila before we left for Tokyo, I got a haircut and I really like it. It just gives it a lot more body. It's not so long and like dragging. I think that's it. Deodorant. I forgot about this pocket. So this pocket up here, I have these mini facial massagers. I think this is Sephora brand, but this is a roller for your face. And then this you can massage serums, like eye serums. If you stick it in a mini fridge, it's a lot more like a cooling effect. And then because I always break out when I'm traveling, I brought the Peace Out Acne Day Dot and the Peace Out Acne like regular patch for overnight. I haven't used this yet, but I might need it. Let's open this up and I will walk you through my skincare toiletries bag. Okay, we have Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. This is new, but I really like it. This is the Kiehl's Better Screen UV Serum. This is a sunscreen serum, but it's very lightweight, and it's SPF 50, so it's perfect because the sun is very strong in the Philippines. The Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I got this in a travel set with the cleansing balm and the radiance pads, or whatever they call their radiance pads. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. We have the Peter Thomas Roth C Serum, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow, La Mer Micellar Water. This is from Innisfree, my favorite eye roller, because it just pops open, you squeeze it, and then it's got a little roller ball, so it's nice and smooth. For when I'm able to wash my face, I have the Tatcha Rice Wash, a travel perfume. Again, the My Way, but this is the Nectar. My Way Nectar, it's so good. And then a Supergoop Glow Screen, and the Caudalie Vino Perfect Serum. Josie Marin Body Butter. Summified as a butter bomb. Okay, we are about to land. Okay, I think when I land, I'll walk you through my makeup bag. Okay guys, I am in beautiful Manila, Philippines, and I am going to show you what I packed in my makeup bag. This is my travel makeup bag for this trip. The bag is from Fenty Beauty. I don't know if this is available for purchase, but I just love this style. So you open it up, and this is everything that I brought. I really tried to keep it to the bare minimum, but let's start off with my brushes. I usually have a separate brush case, but this time, because I wanted to fit it all in this bag, I put it all in this shower cap just to keep it clean. So this is just an assortment of brushes. I'm not gonna bore you and go through them individually, but you know, it's just your basic blush, highlight, eyeshadow, eyebrow brush, just your basics. And then my favorite eyelash curler from Shuyumura. I have my one eyeshadow palette from Makeup by Mario. This is the Master Mattes eyeshadow palette. I've shown this a lot. It is just a very neutral palette. You can use this all over your face. I use it for my eyes, my contour, my brows. Love this palette. For powder, I have the Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Perfector, also by Makeup by Mario, in the shade Medium. This is kind of like a finishing powder, but I like that it's like an ombre, so you can also use this for highlight, sculpt, contour, bronze. Stay Lip Tint SPF 35. This is the shade 5. I also brought the shade 4.5. The Fenty Beauty Concealer, I am in the shade 250W. Merit Cream Stick Blush in the shade Fox. This is the Dior Show Pump and Brow. Rare Beauty Mascara. This is the Merit Beauty Highlighting Stick in the shade Kava. I just love how creamy this is. This is the Merit The Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick in the shade Sand. I love stick foundations because it's just a lot easier and more compact, and it's not a liquid, like it doesn't have to be packed with liquids. This is the Caudalie Hand and Nail Cream, hand cream. Supergoop Glow Screen in the Golden Hour shade. This is the carry-on travel size I keep usually in my other carry-on bag, SPF 40. Also from Fenty Beauty, this is their Kilowatt Liquid Highlighter in the shade Side Chick. It's so glowy. You can use this all over your face if you want and mix it in with your foundation. This NARS Duo, this is Mini Orgasm Double Duo. This is a blush and highlighter. A Mini Say Super Glowy Gel in Star Glow, and a cute little Rare Beauty cream blush in the shade Happy. NARS Golden Eye Under Eye Light Reflecting Eye Brightener and Illuminator. I love this Urban Decay Moondust eyeshadow. It's like this iridescent color. And then all the pencils are in this middle compartment. We have the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Medium 2. I like that this is a little slightly darker color for me. Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl Extreme Black Eyeliner. The Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in the shade Moon Glow, or Moonstone. I line my under eyes with this. Part Double Take Black eyeliner. The Charlotte Tilbury Duo Ended eyeliner in black, and then this shimmery cream. Rare Beauty lip liner in the shade Wise. This is a Japanese eyeliner I got. I love it. And then again, the Bobbi Brown Double Ended Cream Shadow Stick, Pink Steel, and Bark. Thing that I packed for this trip, so stay tuned. I don't know if I'll fit it in this video, but I got a ton of stuff. We're not done shopping. I have a lot of stuff that I will be hauling. So I have a luxury haul, I have a vintage luxury haul, and then just like random stuff. Japanese treats, candy, souvenirs, and and then makeup, like Japanese skincare, Japanese beauty. I already got some makeup that is very nice. I've been using it, like this eyeliner I've been using. It is waterproof. It's so good. It doesn't budge. Okay, so that is everything that I packed for this trip. I'm going to head down to the gym and the spa and relax and enjoy the rest of my stay here from the beautiful Bulgari hotel. Okay, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.